We're here at open gym, playing basketball, having fun.
It really helped a lot because, you know what I mean, it helps kids like stay out of trouble. You know what I mean? It gives them an outlet other than the streets, you know?
We come here to have fun every weekend. It keeps us from doing other things. We come here to have fun and things.
I feel like it'll give kids a place to go, and and make it easier, like keep kids out the street so kids won't get into trouble.
Most definitely, like, you know what I mean? You just, other than, like, you know what I mean, being outside, it's just coming here playing ball, you know what I mean? It's nothing better than that.
I mean, it's like a learning experience. I get to be around people that I care about, who care about me, and like it keeps me out of trouble.
Being here with all my friends makes it even better because we have more fun. And we all have fun together as a group.
It does a lot, you know. It just makes everything better, and you know what I mean. You just ball.
It makes the community better because it keeps most of the kids from doing bad things and bad choices. It makes us have fun if we come here instead of doing other things. Having things like this makes us, you know, better people, and also like makes it better for the community.